Honorable Palajo Moncheken, Mayor since 1908 to 1909.
Is the representative or from the former mayor, Honorable Mataag Maorhe, from 1910 to 1911.
Next, we have our former mayor, Honorable Natuno Gihawan, our municipal mayor since 1912 to 1919.
Up next, of course, is from our former mayor, Honorable Yunan Abakan, since 1920 to 1933.
Next, we have our former mayor, the Honorable Agaya Tamachon, our former mayor since 1934 to 1935.
And of course, up next is the families or representatives from our former mayor, Honorable Bonifacio Agluna Sr. Since 1943 to 1945.
Manay!
And of course, we also have a representative from our former mayor, Honorable Santiago Balajo, since 1936 to 1946.
Represented by Banahaw. Next, we have our former mayor, the Honorable Vicente Gawona, our municipal mayor since 1944 to 1949.
Up next is our former mayor, Honorable Alfredo Panito, since 1950 to 1952. And of course, we also have our former mayor and our representative from Honorable Chuchon Munchaja since 1952.
Next, we have our former mayor, the Honorable Federico Hugian Sr., our municipal mayor since 1953 to 1955. Next, we have our former mayor, the Honorable Gaspar Ponchiman, our municipal mayor since 1956 to 1963. Represented by his lovely wife and of course the sons and daughters of the Honorable Gaspar Ponchilan.
Wow, olive.
Next up, we have our former mayor, the Honorable John Lambayan, our municipal mayor since 1964 to 1971. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our former mayor, the Honorable Romeo Limang Sr., our municipal mayor since 1972 to 1975.
is our former mayor, Honorable John Piligan, our municipal mayor since 1976 to 1977.
Next, we have our former mayor, the Honorable Marcelo G. Hometgoy, our municipal mayor since 1977 to 1979.
Up next is our former mayor, Honorable Severo Dingayan, our municipal mayor since January to February of 1980.
Next, we have our former mayor, the Honorable Salcedo D. Liquian, our municipal mayor since August 16, 1986 to September of 1987.
Up next is our former mayor, Honorable Juanito Lignachan Sr., our municipal mayor since October to November of 1987. Welcome home, sir.
Next, we have our former mayor, the Honorable Mario Chilagan Sr., our municipal mayor.
Of course, we also have our former mayor, the Honorable Rufino M. Kidd, our municipal mayor since 1992 to 1995 and 1998 to 2001.
Let's welcome our former mayor, the Honorable Sunny Belogna Jr. Sr., our municipal mayor since July 1, 1995 to March 30, 1998. Okay, boss, I needed po sa harap ng plaza. Next, we have our former mayor, the Honorable Johnny Junanon, our municipal mayor since April 1, 1998 to June 30, 1998.
No? Napulot.
Up next is, of course, our former mayor, the Honorable Ronnie H. Lumaina. Our municipal mayor since July 1, 2001 to June 30, 2007, and July 1, 2010 to June 30, 2019. Welcome home, sir.
Last but definitely not the least, let's welcome our former mayor, the Honorable Romeo Ochulana, our municipal mayor since July 1, 2007 to June 30, 2010.
Oh.
The national and provincial